everyone, Simon here from my forexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video at the end of the week. Today is Friday. Well, it's a Saturday morning when I'm making, but yesterday was Friday. Week ended. So I just wanted to, share with you guys, how we did here. Not a very good week for me because I'm, early in the week was fine, but I'm getting prepared for my surgery next week sometime. So it's a lot of tests are coming. So, last, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was really busy with doctors' appointments and all that. And I couldn't do much of the trading. Just watching the market here. There are small trades, but not really, big positions and all that. So this is how it is. But, it's August, first week of August is slow. Probably the next week will also, and then August, third week of August, that's where we're going to pick up. The volume will come back and we will have some really, really good fun with the volatility. So I'm going to show you anyway, how I did it. And there was something very interesting I did on Thursday and Friday, so I want to show you guys that. All right, so let's get started. This is, the week started July 31st and Euro-Aussie with my weekly Aussie chart was, expected Aussie weakness. Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie supposed to go up, and they did. So this is one of the trade Euro Aussie. This is Pound Aussie 20-minute, same thing. Okay, Aussie weakness. This pair goes up, right? And then the next day, same thing happened again. And then August the 1st, this was a pattern here, and this, look at it. I mean, it's like, keep repeating the same, stereotype, like 1, 2, 3, and there's so many more, in this pattern, this pair, you'll see. So this was the trade, and then the following day again, August 1st is Pound Aussie also went up again, right? And then you can see here. This is the August 4th, the USD-Yen. That's the only one. And there was something else, I think, was in supposedly Euro-Aussie. I'm missing a lot of trades as well. I made the charts, but I don't know where they are. So, I don't know if this is the one I already showed you. This is August 1st. Probably, yeah. But there was another one, but I don't know where I recorded that. I forgot about it. Okay. Okay, so this is Euro-Aussie 20-minute, August the 1st, and then no, not this one. This is with the big chart that's supposed to be going in that direction. Where did that thing go? All right, so I messed it up here. All right, no problem. I'll close it out. This is a USD-Yen on the 4th. Based on the USD strength. And I think I have those charts too showing that, that's how this trend was. See, this is the USD chart. This is the one. I made that, USD is going to get weaker and USD index will drop since January. And you see how nicely, this is the route that I gave. It's going to come down, go up, and then come down in this area. Look what happened to it. Exactly the same thing. After 7 months, you can see that it did exactly the same thing I said that it's going to do. All right, and then I made on the 28th, I made a chart that shows that we're going to go up for wave 4, but I didn't save it, and it started to kick in. But I made it now, just now. This is what it is. When the price was down here, this candle, right? This candle wasn't there on the 28th. So I made the chart, but I forgot it. I just noticed it, so I saved it now. It's not too late yet, right? So, but anyway, so I was expecting a wave 4, and I mentioned and then explained this chart, wave 4, Elliott wave scenario, and all that in my webinar recording. So one of these days I'll open for you guys as well. That recording is only for subscribers for now, but later on I'll open it up. But anyway, so see how nicely, and let me show you that how nicely it started to go up on a 20-minute chart. It shows. You see that? USDX 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, and wave 4 is in the way, and then wave 5, and then so on and so forth. We're going to go up, right? So wave 4, and it's beautiful. So this is what the USD is doing, and based on that USD chart was okay. But the interesting thing I did see on the 3rd, the Thursday, I saw this Euro index. It's just like Euro-Aussie has been going, too far, too long to the upside. And what's going to happen? So I looked at it and then I counted. It's like 1, 2, 3, and then it says, very perfect wave count. And we need to drop for wave 4, the Euro index. And being Euro index dropping means Euro is going to get weaker, and then all the Euro pairs will drop. Euro pair mainly with I trade. These three, I don't even trade EG, Euro pound. And but I said, well, since Euro is on the left hand side, it should be dropping as well, even though pound is also very weak, so it may not drop that much. But these three will drop, especially this one. Okay. EA. So based on that, and now what happened to this chart? This is what happened. It did exactly the same thing, and it's keep doing it. It's coming down, right? So it may, and then Friday ends, right, and the 4th. So, but it should be coming down in this area, or maybe this white line, and then maybe going to the upside. So, and based on that, I did a couple of trades, mainly Euro-Aussie. I said there's going to go down, and I was prepared for that, and then I found the entry, and I took it to the downside, right? And what else? Euro-Yen. I didn't take the trade, but I'm showing you that, it popped to the downside, right? Came down as well, as I said. And Euro-USD, very late entry, sitting on the break even plus something. But like I said, I was out, a lot of appointments, man, this week. I'm tired. Because, for 30 years I didn't go to the doctor, and then all of a sudden, first I had some problem with the feet, and now this already on surgery, man. So they want to test me from top to bottom, all kind of tests going on. So anyway, let's see what happens. So guys, you still have time, to get this strategy and learn fast before I go for surgery. Because you never know, right? Life is, very unpredictable nowadays, especially with this medical technology we have. Today you are here, tomorrow you gone. Okay, so let's see what happens if I come back. So it has to be next week sometime. I think probably like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, one of these days. Okay. All right. So this is it for now. This just I want to show you this. Especially these are. It's very funny that when I say that it's gonna do. This is exactly what the chart does. It's very funny, and I have a lot of charts like that. That you wouldn't believe that. How look at the USDX, man. For years, for months and months, 6, 7 months before I gave you that, it's going to come down in this fashion. And this is where we're going to come down, and it did that. Right? Now I said it's going to go up, and then it started to go up again already. All right. So it's funny. It's not funny. It's just if you learn this is, you'll be able to predict everything like that. Everything. And if I show you my charts like Euro-Yen, I posted on the Forex Factory. You can go see it on my website. Hundreds of thousands of pips. Euro-Yen went up straight thousands of pips when I said there's going to go up. It's keep going. Still, there's room to go. But obviously, just a little pullback because of the Euro index. And it's going to go up again for wave 5, and then Euro-Yen will jump. Aussie again will jump probably. Aussie index, let me quickly show you. I don't know. Forget it. I'll show you next week, next video. Okay, so this is it for now. I don't want to make a long video. So, like I said, if you like what you see, join in, get this, system, the EA, the indicator. I give you everything. Even if you can't load the charts on your computer, I have someone who will, log into your computer through TeamViewer and set up all the charts. They will set up one chart, show you how to do it, and then you do the rest because the time comes consuming. You have to open a 1 minute chart, and then you have to download the history of that particular pair or index, right? So it takes time, 4 or 5 minutes. And then once it's downloaded, you save the history, and then you apply the indicator, and then you apply this and that. So it takes an hour or some to set up the whole, maybe 7, 8, 10 pairs, and then indexes and all that. So what he will do is he'll just come into your computer and then show you that how to do step by step. So once you do one chart or index, you just repeat the whole process again and again with all the pairs. You have to download the history of 1 minute chart, okay, and then apply the indicator so it will pop these candles, these type of candles. 20-minute chart, 40-minute charts. It has different settings. Okay, if you draw simple Renko candles, they're not gonna be looking like this. Try. Okay, so because these candles have different things in there, and also some specific setting that makes these candles the way they look like. I give you the template, so you don't have to go through all of that. Okay, you just indicator requires the setting there. So I show you that once you set up the settings once and save the setting, and then every time you open a 1 minute chart again and you apply the indicator and then just load the setting, so all the values will come in, and then that's it. And you load the indicator on the chart, and once you get the messages and you download the 20-minute open the 20-minute offline chart or 40-minute offline chart. They are offline chart, but they are alive, the live charts. So they call offline. Okay. They run in real time. So this is it for now. This chart, euro. This is EUR-AUD, right? No, there was a Aussie. No, EUR-Yen. Let me see if I can show you that thing real quick. Okay, no, it's not gonna be there. It is gonna be here. EUR-Yen. It's just beautiful. This strategy, the way it moves, incredible. Look, here, this is the chart I made on July 13th, right? So it's going to go up. And based on what chart? Based on this chart. Not this chart, but I made this chart from here. It's going to go up all the way. And it just keep going. And I made all of these entries based on that chart. This, right? And this chart. And then, look, I said there's going to go up here, 31.11. And finally, after this long time, we go and hit that. Giving you like a couple of more entries here to get to this area. So we ended up on Friday there and then drop it. And look at the entries. So many entries. And this is 40-minute chart. This is a small thing from here to here. This is small length. This is a couple of hundred pips. Okay. So it's powerful. It's very, very predictable, because all you got to do is you look for these setups. That's it. They are all over the place. If I show you, see, this is how it is, right? Keep in your mind. And let me show you. That's a completely different pair. For example, pound USD. That's it. Okay. And then you see what is the difference between those setups and pound USD. It's like amazingly similar. Look at that. It's so easy. Okay. Same. This one. Every time this indicator comes in, comes all the way down, going up. Red candle is coming, retracing, is starting to blue candle, and that's it. Look at this chart and look at this chart. What is this? EUR-Yen. What is this? Pound USD. And I have EUR-AUD and your pound AUD. So every chart is like that. Because that's how they go. That's how they move. In these candles. The other candles are very difficult to, you know that, big spikes, and you have every 5 minutes you have a candle printing, right? These candles are not based on time. These are based on tick size. Unless you get a certain amount of pips move, okay, the candle will not print for maybe a couple hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. If if let's say if I set up the brick size for these candles 20 pip, right, and for 4 hours the price stays within the range of 15 pip, you will not see a new candle here printing. It will be sitting in the red candle. Once it moves more than 20 pip, then you see a blue candle, and then you open a trade, and then you go along with it. This is how it is. Okay. So this is it for now. If you like, you want to go to my website and subscribe, and before I go for my surgery, get it and learn it. I may not come back. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.